Hello YouTube, Classic Oldsmobile. Kind of figured I'd take you for a little drive today. It's getting a little bit nicer here, so I figured I'd take it for a little spin, and I'd give you a little driving view of what it's like to go along for a ride in this going to be 40-year-old car now. I can't believe it that it's turning 40 this year. It's kind of surprising where time goes. And to think that this is, 40 years ago as far as car technology now, that just, like, growing up, this was an older car in my childhood, but it wasn't a 40-year-old car. I mean, it was a 10-year-old car, a 15-year-old car, a 20-year-old car. To now be a 40-year-old car kind of blows my mind. But I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking. It's going to be mostly some clip of driving and some music. So after a stop at gas, because you can't drive past the gas pump in this car, we're going to be driving. We're going to be going through Murraysville here on US Route 22. And we're going to go out to Delmont. It's a nice little drive. We'll really start the driving after I leave the gas station, so I'm going to continue to yap. Yeah, so this is going to be a little bit more of like a point of view I'm hoping for. Something I discovered by accident testing a large TV at work is that if you sit in front of it, it looks like you're riding along with me. So if you have a big screen, like say, 60-inch, 70-inch TV, if you kind of sit down in front of it, it kind of feels like you're riding along with me, and that's what I was going for with the center line of the hood the best I could. So it felt very much like you're riding along in the car. You see the top of the dashboard, and you see the hood, and you can just imagine what it'd be like to go for a stroll back in 1983. Hopefully they got their pumps fixed here. They haven't had the medium or the high octane fuel here in quite a while, which really is unfortunate because I do have fuel perks for here that I would like to use. We're gonna go. So I'm gonna pull up and get gas, and then we're gonna pick up recording after that.